Hey there, dessert fans. Today we're making a light and refreshing orange chocolate mousse cake. Crack 3 eggs into a mixing bowl. Add 100 grams of sugar. That's about half a cup. Whip until the mixture is pale, thick, and fluffy. Think of it as eggs leveling up into a cloud. Now sift in 100 grams of flour, about 3/4 cup. Fold it in gently so we keep all that lovely air inside. Pour the batter into a greased baking pan. Bake at 340 degrees Fahrenheit, 170 to 175 degrees Celsius, for about 30 minutes. Don't open the oven too early. The sponge might throw a tantrum. Start by whipping 350 milliliters of heavy cream. That's about 1½ cups. Whip until soft peaks form, smooth and creamy, not butter. Now melt 250 grams of milk chocolate, about 9 ounces, over a water bath. Once melted, stir in 2 tablespoons of orange juice and a teaspoon of orange zest. The smell is incredible. Chocolate and citrus are best friends, trust me. Now combine. Fold the chocolate mixture into the whipped cream. Go slow and gentle. Mousse is all about texture. The result should be glossy, airy, and irresistible. Now let's assemble the cake. Take your cooled sponge and place it at the bottom of a cake ring. Spread the mousse evenly over the top. Smooth the surface with a spatula. This is the final touch before chilling. Place the cake in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours. Yes, it's tough to wait, but the mousse needs time to set. And here it is, a silky orange chocolate mousse cake that looks elegant, tastes refreshing, and makes you look like a pastry pro. Dark chocolate and bright citrus. It's a combo that never fails. Perfect for summer parties, family dinners, or just treating yourself on a quiet evening. Thanks so much for watching. If this recipe made you crave chocolate and citrus, hit that like button and share this video with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe. More cozy desserts and sweet inspiration are on the way. See you in the next video. And hey, save me a slice, chocolate and orange.